Hi everyone, welcome to D Dawn Kitchen. Guys, D Dawn is at it again to do what? A brand new recipe. It's blueberry eggs. Hopefully you enjoy it. But if you are new here, hi, welcome. Please be sure to subscribe, like, share the video, leave a comment and hit that notification bell so you will be the first to know when D Dawn is doing a video. And to all my YouTuber supporter, follower, subscriber, a very big warm welcome to you all. Let's get started. Some sesame seed, 1 handful of blueberries, 2 eggs, a pinch of black pepper, a pinch of salt, and just like 1 tablespoon of butter. Even before you begin the blueberries, ensure you look for the blueberries with a stem. Any little stem you see like this right here, you just want to remove it. And any spoiled one, soft like this is no good, you pour it out. So ensure that you rinse the blueberries under warm water. And this is all you're gonna do, the blueberries. You're just gonna put them in your hand, put a gloves on, and you're gonna crush. You're gonna crush the blueberries like that out. I wanna leave back about 8 of the blueberries that you're not gonna crush. Guys, and this is a very new recipe. It was created by D Dawn Kitchen. Your salt and black pepper. Beautiful people, you're watching this video today and you like what you see, please be sure to like the video, share it and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so when D Dawn is doing a video, you'll be the first one to know. And leave a nice comment. These are the whole blueberries. Just add it in just like that. And follow me over to the stove, guys. You need a skillet. Put the butter in and let it melt. After the butter is melted, then you're gonna add the eggs in. Turn the fire down low. See, my fire is low. And we're gonna add our eggs in. You turn the fire off because the heat from the fire will finish your eggs. Just mix it around. Just within 1 minute. 1 minute. You don't need this on the fire longer for 1 minute. We're gonna move on to the next phase. Don't leave, guys. Remember, you don't see the sesame seed as yet, so don't leave. Before it's cool, this is the sesame seed. We're just gonna sprinkle on top. So the steam from the eggs will let the sesame seed become soft. So look at our blueberry scrambled eggs. I hope you enjoy it. Give it a try. And this is new. Thank you guys for watching. Please take care of yourself. And above all, let us be our brother's keeper. Peace and love. And I see you on the next one. Let me taste for you. And let you see how the black eggs is looking. Look at this, guys. Guys, give it a try. Don't hesitate. It's nice, and you can have it with some bread, crackers, whatever. You can eat it with even rice. So thank you again. Peace and love.